Hey traders, I hope you all had a nice weekend. So let's start our analysis with our favorite commodity, natural gas. I'm going to go through gold and I will check crude oil as well. So let's start our analysis with natural gas. So before I start my natural gas analysis, guys, if you want to follow me on Telegram where I send a Forex signal, there's a link down below in the description. If you want to check that out, that would be awesome. That is purely for Forex signals. So let's start our analysis right here with natural gas. So as per my previous analysis, and as you know that there is a holiday in US, that is why the market is not moving much. We have a really slow movement here in natural gas. I just want to give you a heads up here what to expect next from gas. And here you can see on 4 hour time frame, as you can see, our target has been hit successfully right here with 180 ATR target above 180 ATR, below the ATR of this candle is 25, and here you can see the target exceeded our take profit. So right here we have our target hit. That is why I mark these zones here, so that once the market hit this counter trading zone, we can grab some chunk of the profit before the market push back up in the trend. So as we already got the chunk of profit from the sell trades on lower time frame, and again looking at the daily time frame, if I want to enter here, I will be really cautious and I'll be entering in a really conservative way. That is an entry on a daily time frame. And here you can see we have this pin bar right here, this 382 candle. Let me double check if it is a 382 candle or not with my fib tool right here. That is absolutely a valid 382 candle. As you can see, the body is above the 382 retracement, showing us the bearish pressure. But here you can see we also got this inverted hammer and 382 candle as well. But looking at previous high broken, and we had a close above the previous high, looking at that, I still expect a market to be bullish from here. As now, if the market wants to push back down, we have this 20 EMA support and expect another bounce from here if we have a push down on daily time frame to 20 EMA support. And if we have a break and close below 20 EMA support, then we have another possible support here from where the market will likely to push up. As you can see, the market is in a uptrend and the gas prices is also getting expensive. So looking at all the factors, being in an uptrend, I'm still expecting market to push up with this 382 candle. Okay, now let me show you the entries, how the entries will look on a daily time frame. I normally take my entries on 4 hour time frame, but looking at this condition here on daily time frame, being in an uptrend, my entry would look something like this, right above the support here and few pips above this 382 and pin bar candle. So I will set my ATR, I will set my target as 1 ATR, and the ATR of this candle is 58. I'll push down my take profit and stop loss here. So right here, the entry would look something like this, few pips above this pin bar and above this support here. So let me tell you the reason why I enter a few pips above the pin bars is because the pin bar basically is a bullish signal. We have a sellers that pushes the market down, and then we have a buyer's takeover and pushes the market up and closes here and making this as a 382 a bullish candle. So this is the fight between buyers and seller, and this is an indecision moment, and then the buyers ended up taking over. So that is why I enter above the pin bars. Then it will avoid us to enter straight here. If we have a selling pressure right after the next candle, it will avoid price to hit our entry point and possibly hit our stop loss if we have an impulsive move down. But yes, if we have a good impulsive move up from here, it will then hit our entry point, and then it will be likely that we have a strong bullish momentum that market can hit our take profit. So that is why I use pin bars, and I always enter few pips above the pin bar, so that if we have a good bullish impulsive move after the pin bar, then we can take an opportunity to enter a trade and possibly hit our take profit. So now you have seen the condition on 4 hour time frame. I will only enter once we have a good break and close above 20 EMA. The two candle close above 20 EMA doesn't mean that we have a candle closes with the same highs. I want to see close above, then another close above the previous candle to see that we have a bullish momentum in the market. As you can see right here, we have one, two, three closes, but they all closes in an equal high, or this candle closes below the previous candles. It doesn't show the bullish pressure. It's still showing that the market is now consolidating and can possibly hit 50 EMA before we have a push up. And if we have a break and close above this previous high right here, this is the previous high, 9.148. If we have that, then we have a good chance that the market will push up to the next minor level of resistance, which is 10.400. That goes up to 10.891, from where I will look for my sell trades either as an engulfer or a double top way of entering the trades, and I will use my ATR for my target. So just want to give you a heads up, guys. This is what natural gas looks to me at this point. Looks still in an uptrend on a daily time frame, and on 4-hour time frame it's not breaking and closing below 50 EMA, so we are still expecting a push up. So right here on currency.com we have a same condition, guys. Just want to quickly show you that as well. On a daily time frame we are in an uptrend. As you can see, we have this 382 candle. We have already checked that on Wanda. And the conservative way to enter is something like this. That would be 9.151. That would be entry. And the ATR of this candle is 58. And the target would look like something like this. If we have a good impulsive move up, then our order will hit here. And I will hope the market will push and hit 9.751, and that would be a stop loss if we have a good impulsive move up and we have our order hit. In that case, just keep an eye on natural gas. We as market is on 4-hour time frame is still consolidating. We do not have any move yet. I will only go for long on 4-hour time frame with a good entry reason. We do not have any good entry reason on 4-hour time frame as of yet, so I want to see a good break and close above two candle close above. That doesn't mean that we have close above like this, these two candle closes above, but with the equal high. So I want to see a good bullish momentum with two candle close above each other. Once we have that and we have a break above this green box, which is 8.997, then from here I will look for a possible bounce till this previous high. If we have a break above this previous high, then I will look for another bounce and good entry reason. I will use my pullback strategy to take my long trades until we hit this pink zone, from where I will look for engulfers or a a double top move for my sell trades only. So that's all for natural gas. Let's check gold. Okay, right here, what do we have? As you know, in my previous video, market was here, and I said that I expect a good bounce out of 50 EMA, and we got a bounce here. Gold is above 50 and 20 EMA and still looks bullish to me. Yes, we can get another retest of 50 EMA before we get another push up. So right here we have a bounce here. I still want to see a market to push up to this red zone, which is 1872. And from here, I will look for my engulfers or my double top move, or I will look for a pin bar trades, and I will set my target before few pips below the pin bars, the way I enter the pin bars or 382 candles. So still looks bullish to me above 50 and 20 EMA. Above this support, all the bias telling that market is likely to become bullish and can hit this red zone. Let's check crude oil. Right here, crude oil is now in our selling zone. We did have a sell signal here. Market is still pushing up now. I want to see a good big engulfing candle here. And as you know that we are in a selling zone, and the selling zone is up to 121.79. We can still have a push up to this level, from where we can get a good entry reason. Once we have a good entry reason here, we will go for our entry patterns like I do, double tops or engulfers or a pin bar. So we still market still have a room to hit 121 to take our sell trades from. We can also get an entry reason from here as well. But as you can see, market has pushed up from here now, broke above the previous high, and likely to move up to the next level of this resistance. And we also get this overbought situation right here in the RSI. So looking at all the factors, we can get a sell signal anytime in this zone. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.